E aí pessoal, beleza? Aqui é o Dani e estamos aqui para eu vou dar uma gameplay de Max Payne 3, tá? Vamos lá, uma de gameplay, tá? Eu vou já dar uma festa, capítulo 2, médio. Vou aqui deixar trava leve e vamos lá. Quando der, sim, mas eu vou passar o segundo. Vai passar o segundo, tem que ser tudo isso.
Nothing but the second best. Why can't we sit over there, Mario? I love you, but proud you for feeling thanks. Proud you? Fuck you. Our league isn't even any good. He was ready to be in Barcelona, Milan. He couldn't even make it in Germany. Now he comes back here and says, fucking royalty. How don't you just... Nah, just give me a bottle of champagne, yeah?
This kind of place made me want to puke. I needed a real drink to deal with the electronic music and the robotic people.
Fucking slum. He acts cool with me.
What's that?
Say, Max, you're a man of the world. What are you fucking doing, man? About what? What do you do about life?
Look at me, I'm standing in a nightclub, listening to music I can't stand. I'm 5,000 miles from home, I'm armed and I'm drinking. You don't want to listen to advice from me, amigo.
Oh, Max, I love you, man. You're fucking real, you know? Oh, shit. People. Fuck, the people can be wrong. I think I love her wrong. Fabio! Fabio! Ah, my nigga!
Thank God he's left. A minute more of his dribble and I would have to put a bullet in him myself. It soon turned out I wasn't the only one.
Então vamos atirar nos capas. Matei todos descendo, galera.
That was no surprise. It's hard to keep your eye on the ball through the bottom of a glass.
Então, opa. Então, aí, obrigado.
The doors had been chained shut. I didn't need my Portuguese for Beginners phrase book to work out what was going on. The guy making the noise was the boss. He was sending them around to cut me off from the other side. And sure enough, a few seconds later, I had some company on the dance floor.
Hi.
Way out through the VIP lounge. Rich fool love the private exit.
Que tem a nojenta. Ai, safadeza. Ah, galera, aqui vai ter o folheto da boate, tá? Claro, né, ó. Folheto da boate. Jogador morto. É o Cláudio, vai estar aqui. Eu vou mostrar, tá bom, galera? Tá. Esse policial, essa é fácil. Nossa! Caí, rapaz! Ah, toma isso! Maldito! Maldito cabeçudo!
Hey, Sao Paulo's favorite bodyguard. How's it going, bro?
It's not good. Some guys took Giovanna and Fabiana.
What? Jesus, Max, hey, I'm on my way.
No, stay in the chopper. We'll need a way out of here. I'll go find you.
They came from here. They went halfway to the lounge. Oh.
Get up. We can't stay here. I need you to lock this door behind you. Get everybody else out of here.
Ok. Ok. Aqui. Mata aqui em cima. Vai. Safadeza. Safadeza. Tonhai. You toma recebe. Hey. Galera, dá pra trocar, né, o lado? Eita. Dá pra trocar o lado. Tem armas douradas. E aqui tá o policial.
Don't shoot, por favor.
You an American?
Sure. Yeah, I'm from Steele, North Dakota, just outside of Bismarck. Andrew Stetland. This is some place, huh? They told me it was a little fresh, but I wasn't expecting things to be quite like this.
No?
No, see, I've seen things. I was a cop for 25 years. I've seen men run over by combines. I've seen husbands who just take their wives in a gunfight in a disco.
You were a cop?
Yeah, just retired. Oh, what a life that was. And it gave me the money to raise a family. I got a girl at college in Wisconsin and a boy who's playing football for Minnesota State. You want to see their picture?
No, that's all right. Sounds nice. Listen, you're staying here. Don't be a hero.
Oh, I won't. I'm retired.
Happy, healthy ex-cop? Give me a break.
Que tal?
It looked loud and expensive enough to be Fabiana's. Her fashion sense
Shh,
didn't leave a lot of room for imagination, let alone food. The girl sure knew how to draw the eye, and maybe that was the problem. But at least I was happy.
Ele tem um vestido rasgado. Vai ter uma guerrinha.
Que porra você tá fazendo? Como assim? Você tá com algum problema?
Whatever the hell they were arguing about, it was time for me to add my 2 cents.
Vamos lá. Simples. Ok. Vamos lá.
We're still alive. This crew was starting to look a lot like frenzied gatecrashers at last week's party. These guys had some real issues with the Broncos. They were back to finish the job.
Toma isso! Punch! 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 Oh! Toma isso! Aê! Ai, ai. Ok, vamos aqui. Tchauzinho!
They were headed for the helicopter pad. I had to get to the roof before Giovanna and Fabiana left on a one-way flight. I knew this was going to be a bad idea, but in the continued absence of any good ones, I decided to go with it. view. I guess my time in Sao Paulo wasn't quite the paid holiday in the sun I'd been promised. At least I was getting shot at by a depressive psychopath. These guys weren't messing around. This place was like Baghdad with G-strings. A couple of more seconds and I'd have given some poor street cleaner a crappy start to his day. Now, I had a ride to catch.
Same guys from the party, I think. They grabbed the girls. And Marcelo, but he's here now.
Yeah, don't worry about me, homie. I'm just a guy paying you lots of money to protect me. I know what you're drinking.
Bet your ass I was. You try standing there for 5 minutes sober.
Wait, hold up. Oh, there they are. Run up, run up. Quick, get after it. Are you crazy? Get this lever. Max, you're gonna do something. Come on, get the rifle back there.
Boa, boa, boa.
He's making a run for it. Hey, hold on. Bring it around. Oh, you're gonna lose her.
Ah, não vai pegar ela, não. Ajuda. Opa! Distraiu com outra coisa. Eita! Soltou. Tchau. Olha só. Ah, escondidinho. Toma. Toma. Só? Ah, não. Aqui. Ok. Sai daqui! Ah, que nojenta.
Stay on. Don't worry, I see her.
Thanks for leaving me to fend for myself and them backs. You were after the girls, not you.
Burra.
You're gonna lose her. She's headed for the roof. Gotta get around this thing.
How is this getting around it? I'm in deep.
Look, there she's at.
Galera, a gente vai ficando por aqui. Dê favorito, joinha, quer dizer, clique no gostei e adicione aos favoritos e se inscreva no canal, ok? Só mais um minuto e a gente sai. Só mais um minuto, né? Por que não? E vamos ficando por aqui. Se inscreva, dê favorito, dê joinha, vocês já sabem. E vamos ficando por aqui. E tchau. Favorito é a caída dele.
There was a goddamn army of these goons. Clearly, somebody wanted these girls bad. Or maybe they just assumed the Broncos security team consisted of more than a drunk American has-been and a Brazilian never was, who should have paid more attention in flying school. Either way, I needed to find Giovanna before they did.
Isso está ficando vergonhoso. Ela não vale a pena. Não dá uma olhada no branco. Foi por isso que viemos aqui. O Serrano vai cortar nosso saco.
Tá aqui, né? Tu tinha visto aqui.